out here at Clarke Creek Wind Farm, working for Yurika, and we're carrying out the first robotic spacer install in Australia, which we're really excited about. We've got our new CSR Twin robot here, which installs PLP Twinlok spacers. It's a world first for installing those robotically out here today.
So PLP's been in the distribution and the transmission industry for over 60 years. And so with our network of customers, clients, project-based experience of bringing innovation to the market, FulcrumAir partnered with PLP and vice versa, and allowed us to bring this new technology to a global market.
The robot installs the spacers for us, so it ties the two wires together so they're not slapping together mid-span. And the lines people put it up and then shoots down through the line quite quickly and installing spacers at the spaces where we have it designated.
This technology has only recently been developed. What it does is it eliminates risk, improves efficiency, and it takes people out of harm's way. So instead of people up on the spans, we've got a robot. So if anything happens to the robot, it's not that big of a deal. You can build another robot, you can't build another person.
Challenging terrain from hilltop to hilltop, some spans nearly 780 metres, twin wire and 33 kV, so very small spacing between the structure and the wire.
This ravine behind us, obviously, as you can see, it's quite vast. so being able to spacer that is a challenge in itself. Usually we'd be running spacer carts. It's a little bit tricky with the clearances on these conductors. It's either that or sort of hanging out of a platform on a chopper or hanging on a rope. The robot's been great. It's quite efficient, saves our bodies, which is great. It's easy to put on and it operates quite well.
I feel more comfortable knowing that myself or someone else is going to be put at risk. With the robot, that eliminates all that. Takes the consequence out of it, That's the main thing that we're looking for.
We had some really good feedback from the guys coming back through after their swing, and the fact that it's lightweight, the fact that they felt like they were safe and out of harm's way has been the collective feedback.
When the linesmen and the workers have seen what this can do, they straight away said this is truly a game changer. But their safety as well as for the clients.
It's pretty amazing to see it in action for the first time, see the reaction of the customer, see how happy they are with the performance, and then just realise that this is the future.